Hi everyone. Welcome today. Yes, it's weekend. Today it's Saturday. Yes, August the 7th. August the 7th, we have here in the daily newspaper one regular Sudoku, yes, a medium Sudoku. Yes, again, our daily practice continues. Actually, there are two. Look, we have here and quintuplet, but I've told you earlier I won't do this anymore because it takes me more than an hour to solve this, and also the same time for uploading it. So no more quintuplets for me, but I will post a link with the PDF file. If you like this to solve, then you can download it. Just go below and find the download link. But first I will solve this baby. By the way, there's in this newspaper an additional. Yes, the additional is back on Saturday. 7 extra Sudokus, and later on I will solve today 4 out of 7, and on Sunday the rest of the Sudokus 3. So but first, this baby, yes, this one will be a number 3209. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26. Yes, 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. And for 2 stars Sudoku, I need, I believe, 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Yes, 15 to 20 minutes to solve. All right, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. All right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 6. We have an 8 and a 6 in this column. So no 8 and a 6 in these two boxes. The 8 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Let me mark those two boxes, 8 and 6. So what are the other two numbers in this big square? 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, 5, and 6, 7. The 4 and the 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So the row be 3 in the second row. The only two places for the 4 should be here. Sorry, the only two places for the 7 are these two boxes. But we see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. All right. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only three places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1 and number 7. All right. All right. Then the 1. I see here a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 place for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1 or 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 place for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1 or 1 there, 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. Let me see another digit. 2 missing numbers in the second row. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. For the 5, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. 5 in this column, 5 in a column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 5 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 5 again. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 8 and a 9. We have an 8 and a 9 in this column, so no 8 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 8 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 9, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright, now I can continue with the 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle, second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 1. Alright. And I can continue with the number 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. Now we have 8 here. So this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in the last column. 1. The 2 is missing. And the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and a 3. Okay. We have a 2 and a 3 in the last column. Column. We have a 2 and a 3 in the column. Next here, 2 and a 3. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 and the 3 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. So what are the other numbers in this big square? Yeah, those are the numbers. Are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9. 6 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and the 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there, no 8 there. Here, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 8. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box is going to be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 9. 2 boxes left in the last row for the numbers 9. 1, 2, 3 is missing and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the third column. 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Yes. Digit number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Digit number 5. Number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 3 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. How about these 2 numbers in the first column? 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 3 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box is going to be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. And this box should be a 3. 1 number left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, and the 3 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6. 3 and the 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 3 goes there. And the final number of this big square for the number 1, 2. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. And faster than the time limit, 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. You can also find below the download link for the quintuplet if you like the quintuplets. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit that bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload the new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the medium Sudokus, for the heavy, for the light Sudokus, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the letter Sudokus, for the quintuplet, for the killer Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Yes, thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday, and we will meet again later on with the other puzzles in the additional. So see you then. Bye bye for now.